Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok services not available in your country. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is go to your home screen and open settings on your device. Over here, scroll down and tap on asterisk asterisk general asterisk asterisk. Then tap on asterisk asterisk software update asterisk asterisk and update your device to the latest version. After that, go back and open the asterisk asterisk app store asterisk asterisk. Then search for asterisk asterisk TikTok asterisk asterisk and download the latest version. Then restart your device one time and check if the issue is resolved. If the issue is still there, open asterisk asterisk settings asterisk asterisk again. Over here, go to asterisk asterisk general asterisk asterisk, scroll down and tap on asterisk asterisk date and time asterisk asterisk. After that, set the date and time correctly and choose your correct time zone. Then go back and tap on asterisk asterisk language and region asterisk asterisk. Over here, tap on asterisk asterisk region asterisk asterisk and select your correct country or region. After that, go back and tap on asterisk asterisk VPN and device management asterisk asterisk and disconnect any active VPN if connected. Then go back and tap on asterisk asterisk transfer or reset iPhone asterisk asterisk. Over here, tap on asterisk asterisk reset asterisk asterisk and select asterisk asterisk reset network settings asterisk asterisk. If the issue is still there, open the asterisk asterisk TikTok asterisk asterisk app and go to your asterisk asterisk profile asterisk asterisk. Then tap on the three lines to open asterisk asterisk settings and privacy asterisk asterisk. Over here, go to asterisk asterisk account asterisk asterisk and tap on asterisk asterisk account information asterisk asterisk. Then tap on asterisk asterisk account region asterisk asterisk and select your correct country or region. After that, go back and check if the issue is fixed. If it's still not working, contact the asterisk asterisk TikTok help center asterisk asterisk. So that's basically how you can fix TikTok services not available in your country. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.